Welcome to Kustomize. In this session, we're going to learn how to use Kustomize in Kubernetes. That means how to deploy applications and modify Kubernetes resources across different environments. Our objectives today: understand why Kustomize was created, learn what problems it solves, see how to install it on your machine. In most cases, it's already included. Go through the structure of the customization YAML file and its syntax. From there, we'll move step by step into the key features of Kustomize, like transformers, patches, overlays, and components. We'll also explore some practical commands like edit and set, and then see how Kustomize fits into a CI/CD pipeline. Generators will also be part of our discussion. For practice, we'll use Killer Coda, so you don't need to worry about setting up a local environment. There's a saying I like to repeat in most of my videos: the more you sweat in practice, the less you bleed in battle. So let's get started. Feel free to ask questions or share feedback in the comments. You'll also find updates in the description about my Telegram channel, blog, and Buy Me a Coffee page.